Gonzo journalism. You gotta get right in there. Who's a writer? We had a good time in Bragg Creek, and we're gonna hit her up tomorrow in Athabasca, brother.
We're in Hawg Flatt, north of Athabasca, Alberta, and we're here to fuck shit up.
Well, next part of the little trip on the weekend was we were heading to Athabasca, just north of, to a biker rally in which, if you haven't been to one, the liquor is always flowing there. And if you know me quite well, I'm always first man in a liquor swimming pool and trying to drink the son of a bitch dry.
Hawg Flatt. Who's fucked up? Just me. I want everything. I want everything. Who wants a little condo? Make no. Who wants it? Nobody. We need to share. We need to share. Come on, you motherfucking degenerates. I'm just as drunk as you are, motherfuckers. Who wants to hear it? Who wants to hear it? Call McDonald live on stage. Give me a little something. Give me a lick.
Now, a lot of you don't know that I am also a stand-up comedian, which is an absolute lie, but I have been working on some material, as you can see, and well, also I am pretty fucking good at introducing bands, because that's rock and roll right there, baby.
Give me some more. Give me some more. Oh. You want to start with something? Killin McDonald, baby.
Well, after that introduction, I don't know what to say, really. How's everybody doing at Hawg Flatt on this Friday evening? You guys alright? You guys want to hear some more rock and roll?
So you're all probably thinking the same thing, that I have some severe advanced form of Parkinson's. It's actually, I was not expecting Hack to introduce the band like he did, and I could not hold on to my camera for the fucking life of me.
Look at him, look at his pants are fucking half off. Look at this fucking goon. He can barely stand up, brother.
Now, this is the first biker event I've ever been to. And as you can see, I'm having a pretty good fucking time. And all the guys out there are huge beauties. They took care of us real well, as you can see, because, well, fuck, I can't even spew a goddamn sentence together. And old Red made sure that my fucking cup was right full of whiskey all weekend long.
Number 10, or 01, sorry. Oh, there, he knows how to go around a barrel. Woo! 90. Oh, he didn't do the figure eight, did he? No, he fucked up. He's disqualified. He didn't make figure 8. You're done, but you can have a beer anyway. Nicely done. Oh, there we go. Good catch, Travis. Good catch. Well, you're not quite supposed to do it like that. Oh, there's the water's gone. And what the hell? There's drops coming out of the sky already. It's supposed to wait. Oh, yeah, no, he knows how to ride a motorcycle. He's likely close to 1 million fucking miles, not kilometers, likely miles. Because he's been riding his whole life. So, you know, add it up. He looks like he's about 25, so that's about 100,000 a year. Taking quite a while, must be his first one.
Yeah, he's done. He's no hungover.
I'm going to start with the flank ride. Where's my list there? And time, I guess we're, how are we going to, if 2 guys make it?
Elimination.
Elimination, we'll make the rules as we go. Feet off and feet up. Oh, not far, not far. Very nice, there's American Thunder running and shooting forward. Oh, I say he made it farther than Mike. Oh, right off the end! Look at that! Right on, that's the way it's done.
Second day, the boys out there at Hawg Flatt like to have a biker rodeo, and if you know me quite well, I don't like sitting on the sidelines. I'm a competitor. I like to compete. I'm out there to win, and that's what me and my fucking homeboy Striker did. We came out there and we took plaques home, baby. That's what it's all about, winning.
We got Cat's gonna bite a wiener.
Now, as you can see, looking in my eyes, I am a fierce competitor, and I am about to absolutely destroy this event.
Who's gonna back him, Corey? Corey, you backing Dave Cat? Here we go. Give him a hand.
Every great athlete knows they have to cheat to win. It's fucking been known for years. Mark McGuire, best hitter in the game, on roids. Uncle Hack puts tape on the fucking egg race spoon. Pretty well the same goddamn thing. You gotta cheat to win, kids. That's why I win and you're idiots.
We got our own board and our own cup. Don't worry, guys.
Yeah.
And the water is frozen.
a wet t-shirt contest.
Now, once again, Hawg Flatt's made the mistake of putting a mic in my hand with a glass of whiskey. And if there's one thing that we've really enjoyed and that you guys probably noticed is we love titties. Big or small, we love them all. And whether they're fucking old or young, it don't matter. We just want to see them.